Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and firmware on the receiver, because a booted, updated unit reports signal properly. Next, get the satellite azimuth, elevation, and skew values for your location using an app. This gives precise angles to aim. Mount the dish on a stable pole and set the elevation to the initial angle, then hand tighten bolts so you can still move it. Once done, connect the LNB to the receiver with a short coax cable and open the receiver's signal meter screen. Now you adjust azimuth first. Rotate the dish slowly while watching the receiver's signal meter, because course movement finds the satellite peak faster. Once you see a hint of carrier, tweak elevation up or down in small increments. Make sure to also twist the LNB for skew to improve polarization alignment. When the signal appears, alternate tiny moves in azimuth and elevation to maximize SNR and carrier level. Make incremental changes, pause, and let the meter settle so you don't overshoot the optimal point. With the peak found, progressively tighten the dish bolts while watching the meter. Secure one side then the other to preserve alignment. After locking mechanically, run a blind scan or channel scan to confirm multiple transponders are found, because that verifies correct satellite lock. If channels are missing or signal fluctuates, check coax for damage and length loss, verify LNB voltage at the receiver, clear obstructions like foliage, and retry micro adjustments of about 0.5 degrees. One tip: if signal drops, loosen and recenter, then repeat fine-tuning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.